Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 156th edition release, and I'm just going to jump right in. I shared everything in detail yesterday, so if you'd like to go back and visit yesterday's video, make sure you just go back a video to see that. But I'm just going to try and speed through here so I won't take up too much of your time, and that way you can have fun shopping. So we have the Frosty Friends ephemera. Lots of ephemera in this pack. So cute and adorable. Then we have the Frosty Kisses Stampin' Dies. So there goes those. Hopefully you can see that. And then you also have the dies to go with it. And then we have the Snowflake dies. You'll get 8 in that set. And you have 4 different sizes to choose from. And then you'll have the Snowflake doily dies. You'll get 6 in that set. So this is sold by itself. And then you'll have the belly band as well. And you'll get 2 dies in that set. And those are sold separately. So that's the Snowflake belly band for that one. And this is one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And this is called the Square Box. You'll get 4 different dies in that set. And it's so cute, adorable. And then for this one, we have the Cute Bow Die and the Trio Cute Bow Dies. So the Cute Bow Die is the largest one, sold separately from the Cute Bow Dies, and you'll get 3 in that pack. So just keep that in mind. And then we had the Snowflake Wishes 2025, which is the paper that's in that pack. And I just happen to have these still out. So that's how all of those look. And then it also have the back side. Very, very cute. All of those colors for you to craft with. All right, let's get into that card that I made. I tried to make one more card for you today. I was going to try and make another box, but I didn't get around to that. But I did do this card. I was actually going to make it into a clipboard at first, hence the paper, but I just turned it into a card. I did use that little square that came out of her Square Box die, and that turned out really cute. There goes the enamel dots that I used, and then I also used that stamp set that she released. Of course, I put glitter on all of my little ephemera images, and then there goes those little tag dies from last month that she released, and I forgot to share that with you. But anyways, you will find it in her store. But these are the cutest little tags. I love them. And so it's adorable. And then there goes the inside of my card. Just too cute. Okay, as a reminder, here are all the items I created for you for your inspiration. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 10% off your total purchase on any other day other than today, because today is release day, so you'll get 15% off using any of the designers' codes. And make sure you hop along to everybody here on YouTube as well as on Instagram, so you'll have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Have fun shopping.